So the next question said, write the sequence. So 5n minus 3. First 5 terms. You need a table. I don't have enough room. N and then term. Actually, this is value, not term. That says value, not term, and I need to rewrite it because it's illegible. All right, so the first 5 terms in a sequence, start counting to 5. Start counting to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. All right, and then what am I going to do to my n? Multiply by 5, then subtract 3. 5 times 1 minus 3. 5 times 2 minus 3. 5 times 3 minus 3, and 5 times 4, and 5 times 5 times 1 minus 3. 5 times 2 minus 3. 5 times 3 minus 3. 5 times 4 minus 3. 5 times 5 minus 3. Done. Okay. How do I get from 2 to 7? Add 5. How do I get from 1 to 2? What's my rate of change? Nope. Delta y over delta x. What's my delta y? What's my delta x? What's 5 over 1? There's my rate of change. Here's my rate of change as well. Do you see the relationship? It should be the same. Okay, question number 8. The NRJH Theater Arts Department is selling cupcakes at a bake sale to raise funds for more costumes. There are numerous containers to store the cupcakes in after they bake. The table relates the number of available storage containers S that students can use and the number of cupcakes C stored within the containers. So, how many cupcakes can go in 2 containers? 24. Trick question. How many cupcakes can go in 1 container?
12.
Good. What'd you do? Divided by 2. So, what is my equation? Are they adding anything after that? So what's my equation? Y equals? Y equals not x times 12, but just 12x. Okay, here's my table. Storage containers, cupcakes. Okay, it should be C equals 12s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Miss Darling. No? Don't appreciate me? Okay, that's fine. That's how you feel. All I'm doing on this one is making a table. They've already given me my points. What is my first coordinate pair? 224. And then give me one other one that I need to make my line because I only need 2 points. 6 and 72. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm counting by, let's say, 24s, because that's easy. 48, 72, 96, 120, 140. All right. Where do I run and where do I jump for 224? Run 2, jump 24. 6 and 72. Not 6 and 48, but 6 and 72. Okay, draw my line. Stay focused. Also, it goes through the origin, which means this is what we talked about the other day. Yes, proportional. Leave that up for a second while I get ready for more. I need to number and label the graph. That's what I forgot. Then plot the points. Okay, I didn't forget that. I just didn't label it. So what is my 1, 2, whoa. What are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 through 8?
Containers.
My containers. And they're my what axis? Y'all said it over here? X. And then these are the number of, these are my Y, and they're the number of cupcakes. Here's my equation. C equals 12S. Wait, it should be S equals 12C. No? Oh, storage containers. That's what the S is for. I'm like, where do we get this C from? And they said, how many cupcakes are stored in each container? I did ask you that question at first, and there was 12, correct? Great. Now we got a new question. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Okay, here. I need you to pay attention to this one. You're going to have a question like this. They don't give me a complete table. They want me to find the rate of change. They want me to find the B. They want me to tell if it's proportional or not. Look at it. Is it proportional? Yes, because it goes through the origin. So for number 9, write proportional, because that's what I know so far. Proportional, Proportional. Then what do you need for all of these problems? A table. X and Y. Where did they run and where did they jump? Look at the easy identifiable points. Ran 5 and jumped 100. So that's 1X and 1Y. 5 and 100. Where else did they run and jump? Run 10, jump 200. Another X, another Y. Where else did they run? 15, jump 300. And 20, 400. Here's what I have so far, proportional and my table. 2,400. All right. What did it ask for? Rate of change and Y-intercept. Rate of change is my M. Y-intercept is my B. And yes, it's proportional. I already said that. So how do I find rate of change? Divide who and who? Not Y over X. Delta Y over delta X. Constant of proportionality is just Y over X. Big difference there. Okay, how do I get from 100 to 200? Hold on, I'll answer that question in a moment. Plus what? How do I get from 5 to 10? Who over whom? 100 over 5. 20 is my rate of change. Now, if I were to write this as an equation, watch. If this were my TPV chart, My first term would be 5, and then I would multiply it by 20, and then I would try and get 100, right? What's 5 times 20? What do I have to add to 100 to get 100? Plus nothing. So then, pay attention. What is my equation? 20 times what? Plus what?
0.
I don't have to put the plus 0. It's just y equals 20x. But yes, you're still correct.
What's the difference between?
So wait, what is my b? He just said plus what?
0.
There's my b.
Okay, so my question is,
What's your question? Go for it.
what's the difference between delta and delta?
That's a great question. It's answered by your notes. Your notes last couple weeks ago. Delta y over delta x. The change in y over the change in x. I might not easily be able to identify the relationship from x and y here. Okay? But on your constant of proportionality homework, where's that Astros? Y'all thought I was going to say something else? Here, pay attention. Here, I should easily, excuse you, y'all need to know this for your test, not mine. I already know what I'm doing. I can easily identify what's happening to this x to get to the y. Times 4, times 4, times 4, times 4. I can't do that here. I have to do something else to my 7 after I multiply it by something. Hey, you sir, asking a question and not paying attention to the answer. This is 7 and 0, 11 and negative 3. What the heck are they doing? This is 15 and 60, 30 and 120. That's easy, times 4. Do you see the difference? Okay, that's what you got to know about on Monday. Get ready to go.